Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by appending your federated models into Navisworks so everything sits in one scene. This ensures geometry aligns. Once done, confirm units and coordinate origin to prevent false positives, and then create logical selection sets for disciplines like MEP versus structure. You should name sets clearly and assign colors for visibility. Next, open the Clash Detective and add a new test, selecting your saved sets as testers and targets. This first actionable step gets you immediately into reliable clash detection. Run the initial test and expect many results. You refine them by setting clearance values and enabling soft clash detection where needed. Make sure to filter out duplicates and use automatic grouping to reduce repeated hits. Once filtered, inspect collisions via viewpoints and section planes to see real interference versus close proximity. You should reclassify true clashes as high, medium, or low priority and assign an owner. Also, export an XML or HTML snapshot periodically so stakeholders track progress and comments. Finalizing means exporting a clear clash report with viewpoints and snapshots so recipients see exactly where and why the issue occurs. You should choose HTML for human review, CSV for spreadsheets, or XML/BCF for BIM workflows, and include assigned statuses and comments. Make sure to update models and rerun tests after fixes. If clash is looking correct, check model transforms, hidden or clash tolerance geometry, and selection set composition. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals misaligned files or improper tolerances.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.